Is your Epson printer not printing black or colors properly? This usually happens when it hasn't been used for a while. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to fix it. The easiest method, especially for beginners, is manual printhead cleaning. This helps restore the ink flow and unclog the nozzles. Here's what you need to do. Find the stop button with the upside-down triangle icon. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds. Then release. The printer will start making noise and the power light will begin blinking. That's completely normal. Now the cleaning process has started. This usually takes about 2 minutes. Once the power light stops blinking, the first cleaning is done. Let the printer sit for about 20 seconds. Now let's try printing again. And here's the result. You can see the black ink is starting to come back. For better results, repeat this process a few times. Just make sure to wait about 30 seconds between each cleaning. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!